Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I'm bringing you a great recipe that's sort of a blast from the past. This is a Deen Brothers recipe from one of our books a few years back, and something that I really like. I'm a big fan of proteins, and pork tenderloin is one of my favorites. It's easy to season, it's easy to cook, cooks fast, and you know, it's just a piece of cake. So we'll start with, before I get my hands dirty, we'll go ahead and start with our what we've got to whisk together here. I've got some maple syrup. So you know it's going to be good. And what goes with maple syrup? Oh, I don't know. How about some good old Tennessee whiskey? And a little bit of mustard powder. And we will give this a little whisk. Oof, oof. Whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. All right, so to our tenderloin. We've got about 2.5 pounds of tenderloin here. It looks really, really nice. Nothing fancy. We're just going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's go ahead and put it in our pan here, and we'll season it over here. Beautiful. I love a tenderloin. You got to watch them though, because there's not a lot of fat here, and these things will dry out on you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it into a 400-degree oven. I've already got it preheating, and we're gonna put our wet mix, our maple syrup and Tennessee whiskey mix on top of it. We'll pop it into our 400-degree oven, and in probably about 20 minutes, I'll check it, because we want to baste it anyway. Good old turkey baster. We're going to start basting it in about 20 minutes. I'm going to keep a good tight eye on it and make sure that it doesn't dry out. Okay, because as you can see, there's just not a lot of fat on a tenderloin. Okay. Just get a good coating of salt and pepper on there. And that looks great. Okay. So let's take a brush here and brush on our whiskey and maple syrup mixture with the mustard powder in it. It's a great combination for pork tenderloin. Yeah. So good. So good. This is the time of year too. We got good baseball and football games and all sorts of stuff going on television. This is a great time of year to be doing your tenderloins, your steaks, your chops. Something about fall makes me want to cook a lot of big proteins. I've been doing a lot of elk lately, and I've been doing some bison, which I really like a lot. If you've never had elk steaks are terrific. Bison steaks also are terrific. And I even have been getting into, I'm not a big hunter. Don't really like to hunt. I did when I was younger, but I've gotten into eating some axis deer. I found a place in Hawaii where you can order axis deer. And my gosh, is that good too. All right, I'm just going to pour the last little bit of that Tennessee whiskey and maple syrup glaze on here and into a 400-degree oven. And in about 20 minutes, we'll start to baste it. So let's go ahead and pop this in the oven now. Okay, our tenderloin is out of the oven. We cooked this on 350 for about 40 minutes, and they look wonderful. And I just took a temperature, 160 degrees right now. They've been out of the oven for about 5 or 10 minutes. So they were probably 165 on the nose. Let's see, this looks and smells so good. You can actually smell that bourbon, and the maple gave it a nice little glaze. It just looks so good. So however you chose to eat this, you could put it on a sandwich, or you could make some rice. Look how
Bobby,
beautiful.
don't forget to tell them I ended up doubling the marinade recipe.
Oh yeah, by the way, that was a very little amount of liquid that we had in there. There was not nearly enough to baste, so we ended up doubling the amount of liquid that we used. Look at that, gorgeous, gorgeous pork tenderloin. Really simple, great protein, easy to cook. Oh, Teresa. That is so good. All right. Till next time. Pork tenderloin is ready.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.